Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new ProBEAM LED saddlebag lights on this 2012 Ultra Classic. ProBEAM BAGZ saddlebag lights are designed to fit on the OEM hard Harley Davidson saddlebags. They use the highest quality automotive LEDs with a modern light pipe design to add eye-catching visibility. 3 light pipes illuminate as a running light with 24 full contrast brake LEDs. The modern light pipe design provides increased side visibility to maximize safety, and they come with a Custom Dynamics lifetime warranty. To get started, apply the primer to the bags and give it a couple minutes to dry. Remove the red adhesive backing and install the lights on the left and right saddlebags. Press them firmly into place. Now remove the bags from the bike. Clean the surface area locations for the tie wrap holders, apply the primer, then promote and allow it to dry. Remove the paper backing from the cable tie holders and press them into place. Route the wires through each tie wrap holder and secure them with the tie wraps. Remove the seat from the bike and locate the rear main wiring harness. Plug the NPR Y harness adapter into the rear wiring harness. Reinstall the saddlebags and connect the 3-pin plugs from the bag lights to the Y adapter, making sure to connect the purple wire plugs to the purple connector and the brown wire to the brown connector. Make sure to check for proper operation of all lights before hitting the road. Our ProBEAM BAGZ saddlebag lights are a simple upgrade to your bike that will make a big difference for any rider.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.